This is the 2022 Sylvan RLZ. This is an L3 model, 22 feet, gray exterior, gray interior, recessed cup holders. Does have lighted cup holders on the helm. Dual captain's chairs. This boat's rated for 12 people. Does have a power bimini. One touch, bimini goes up and down. Here at the helm, all your gauges, switches, tilt steering wheel, Bluetooth radio, side controls. The RLZ layout is an interesting layout. Picnic table setting there, and on both sides is possible. This side set up as a lounger, rear facing. With the gates, you can be seated back here facing backwards. Ski tow bar. This pontoon is equipped with a Mercury 115 command thrust motor, 4-step ladder, teak seagrass flooring, great little setup for families, lunch, play cards, lots of storage under all your seats. This Sylvan is also equipped with a changing room. That cabinet pops up. Going into the restaurant, you can change your clothes quickly. '22 L3 RLZ.